Hello kids, welcome to my class. So in this video, we are going to see how early people lived. Nowadays, we are living comfortable in our life, isn't it? We have light in our room. If we want to travel, we are using our bike or our car and whatever the transport we have, isn't it? So imagine if nothing was there. So in this video, let's see how these early people lived and how they moved. We used to live in our home, isn't it? We built our own home. We built it with the help of bricks, and in village side they will use some huts to build their home. So how these early people lived? They lived in forest as well as in their caves. And we wear different types of clothes, but it wasn't discovered in the early time. So they used animal skins, leaves and the grass to cover their bodies. And they eat different types of roots, wild fruits, and they will hunt and eat the animals. Early people ate the meat without cooking it because until then the fire was not discovered. Then the early people, how they will hunt the animals? They will use the tools like sharp things to hunt the animals, and their tools were made up of stones. And later the early people discovered the fire. Fire actually kept them warm. Then they later discovered to cook the food with the fire. How they did is they used to keep the meat on the fire and discover that it tastes actually better. So after that only they started to cook the food with the fire. And this is the main thing about the early people is that they only discovered the wheel. Imagine in this world if there was no wheel. It would be very difficult for us to transport from one place to another, because of course all the vehicles depend on wheels to move, isn't it? So the early people only invented the wheel. So from this video, I hope you kids understood how early people lived, how they lived different from us, and what are the things they discovered. Thank you kids.